With the heat, I've got our propane turned on. Now we're gonna head inside and I'll show you how that works. So this thermostat right here controls our heat in the camper. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that it's set to auto, and then we're gonna turn it from off to heat. This is showing our temperature inside of the camper right now, and for the sake of this, I'm gonna turn it up 72 degrees. Once you hear this click, you should hear the heater come on.
And that can be found right there.
Okay. We have two heat ports. We have two vents in the camper where the heat comes out. The first one is going to be right by the door. So we want to make sure that we don't block that or cover that port. The second one is going to be in the bathroom right on the bottom side of the tub. For the air conditioning, this is going to be your air conditioning unit. Before we turn that on, we want to make sure that our heat thermostat is set to the off position. Our controls up here are, we have off, fan low, two fan lows. We have fan low, fan high, low cool, and cool high. And then we also have our thermostat right here for our air conditioning. If you just want a fan, it's a nice warm day, you can turn this on. You'll get some nice air movement out of it. If you're looking to cool down on a warmer day, turn it to low. With the air conditioner, sometimes on hot, humid days, it can freeze up. We had this happen to us once last year on a 100-degree day where it was nice and humid. The air conditioner actually froze up on us and just started blowing warm air rather than cool air. To fix that, what we had to do was shut the air conditioner off for about a half an hour, 45 minutes, and let the air conditioner thaw out, unfreeze. We had to let it thaw out before we could turn it back on. We had that happen a couple of times that day before we realized that, hey, we just have to keep it on high and keep it really cool in here. Now the air conditioner worked awesome. We were able to keep it down into the 60s and 70s that day when it was working. So sometimes it's best just to leave it on hotter days and let it cool down in here. Otherwise, if it does freeze up or you feel that it's not working correctly, just shut it off, let it sit for about a half an hour to an hour, and then fire it back up. If you have problems after that, don't hesitate to contact us and we can try to get this figured out for you.